Okay, I think I can do this in one video. Solve each equation by completing the square. And so what we're going to do is x squared plus 18x equals 24. We're just going to concentrate on completing the square on the left-hand side. Okay, so we have x squared plus 18x plus our perfect square equals 24. We have to add it to both sides because it is an equation. We've done this one before, actually, but 18 divided by 2 squared is equal to 81. And so we get x squared plus 18x plus 81 equals 24 plus 81. And I'm going to rewrite the left-hand side as my perfect square binomial. X plus 9 squared is equal to 105. We're going to take the square root of both sides. I don't know that I'll go through as much detail in the other ones, but we're going to do that. And that gives us x plus 9 equals the square root of 105, which is not a perfect square. And I mean, we can get an ugly decimal, but let's see, 5, if we do 105 divided by 5, I don't think, that's 21, 17, and 3. Okay, so what we're going to end up with then is our solution will be x. We're going to subtract 9 from both sides. And I'm going to kind of rewrite this a little bit. So x is equal to plus or minus, let's rewrite this way. X is equal to negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 105. And that's really your answer. You could get the decimal equivalent of the square root of 105. It's 10 point something. And you're going to have negative 9 plus that and negative 9 minus that. But for intents and purposes of this, we're just going to do x equals negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 5. Although it looks like on the actual study guide I gave approximate answers. So you would end up with 1.25 and negative 19.25, roughly. All right, B. X squared plus 22x plus 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 squared is 121. So 121 minus 39 gives me 82. All right, so 121 minus 39 is 82. So we're going to rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite the left-hand side as the perfect square binomial. X plus 11 squared is equal to 82. Take the square root of both sides. And I know that's going to be around 9 somewhere, but it's not going to be 9 exactly. It looks like when I did the key. Anyway, so you can either plug in the square root of 82 into your calculator and get something weird, 9.0553855138, or you can do this and just say, okay, x plus 11 equals the square root of 82. Let's see, this is 41 and 2. So that's not going to simplify any. So you're just going to say x is equal to negative 11. We subtract 11 from both sides, plus or minus the square root of 82. And we'll just leave it like that. That's perfectly good. If you got the answer on the key, that's fine as well. All right, I think I'm going to call it good for A and B and just do C because it's a little bit more involved and I'm running out of space. So I'm going to do C in another video.